f of x equal to this one. Find the coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube in f of x plus 1. So, we want f of x plus 1 by using the synthetic division. 1. No x cube term. X square coefficient 3. X coefficient 6. Minus 2. We want f of x plus 1. So take the same symbol. Plus 1. 0. 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 2, sorry, 1 into 1 plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 2 into 1, minus 2 minus 4. This is constant. Next, second time, we apply 4 times. Second time, 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2, plus 6, 6 into 1, 6, plus 4, this is a coefficient of x. Next, third time, 0, 1, 1 into 2, 2, sorry, 1 into 1, 1, 3, 3 into 1 equal to 3, plus 9, x square coefficient, plus 1, 0, 1 into 1 equal to 1, plus 4, this is a x cube coefficient. This is a x power 4 coefficient. So, coefficient of x cube equal to 4 is the answer. 4. 35. Given this f of x, next, whose roots are multiplied by 3. That means 3 alpha, 3 beta, 3 gamma multiplied by 3. So we want an equation whose roots are these 3. So multiply by 3. So required equation is f of x by 3 equal to 0. That is 2 into x by 3 whole cube. 3 into x by 3 whole square, 4 into x by 3 minus 5, 2x cube by 27, 3x square by 9, 4x by 3 minus 5 equal to 0. 27 LCM, 2x cube, 9 3 times, 9x square, 3, 9 times, 36x, minus 5 into 25, 27, minus 135, equal to 0. By cross multiplication, 2x cube minus 9x square plus 36x minus 135 equal to 0. 37. Roots are given alpha by 3, beta by 3, gamma by 3. So, roots are divisible by 3. So, substitute, replace x with 3x, we get the answer. That means f of 3x equal 0. Similarly 38, negative signs. So minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma are the new roots. So required equation f of minus x equal 0. Next, 39th bit, to remove the second term, then roots are diminished by. So second term h equal to minus b by na. To remove the second term, h value is minus b by na. That is minus b value minus 10, a value, n value 4, a value 1, 10 by 4. So h value 5 by 2. H value is 5 by 2. So transform equation f of x plus h equal to 0. He wants only h value. So h value is 5 by 2. Next, bit number 41. So increased by k. To remove the second term, similarly h equal to minus b by na minus of minus 6 by 3 into 1 equal to 2. So f of x plus h equal to 0. So f of x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, roots are diminished by minus 2. So answer is the minus 2. Next, bit number 42. F of x equal to, given their roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta are in GP, then find the roots of this equation are in AP, GP, HP or anyone. Observe this one, x power 4, this becomes to minus x whole power 4 plus 5 into minus x whole cube minus 30 into minus x whole square minus 40 into minus x plus 64 equal 0. Observe these two equations. This equation both are same, but x is replaced by minus x. So their roots are minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma and minus delta. Given alpha, beta, gamma, delta are in GP. So minus alpha, minus beta, minus gamma, minus delta are also in a GP. So answer is a GP. Next, bit number 43. Given 1, 2, 3 are roots of this equation, find roots of this equation. Divide with 8. 8x cubed by 8. 2b x square by 8. 4c x by 8. 8d by 8. A into x by 2 whole cube. 2 4 times. B into x by 2 whole square. c into x by 2 plus d equal to 0. Observe this equation and this equation. So x is replaced by x by 2. So this is nothing but f of x by 2 equal to 0. So roots are x is divisible by 2. So roots are multiplied by 2. So required roots are 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2. So 2, 4, 6. They are the answers. Suppose there is a 3x. Divide these roots with 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. They are the answers. Suppose there is a x plus 2. Subtract minus. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2 are the roots. Suppose there is x minus 2. X minus 2. Add plus 2. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2. They are the roots of the required equation. 1, 3, 4, 0 are the roots of this equation. Then he wants roots of this equation. Observe these two equations. Suppose let it be f of x. Then x is replaced by x plus 3. So this is f of x plus 3 equal to 0. So roots are, there is plus 3. So subtract 3 from the given roots. So roots are 1 minus 3, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 0 minus 3. So this is a minus 2, 0, 1, minus 3. These are the roots of this equation.